Today, we're looking at Mapei FlexColor CQ Premix Grout.
I'm Clint, and I've been working construction the last 20 years, and this is Mapei FlexColor Premix Grout. This grout is designed to make tiling jobs faster and easier. It's simple to install, quick to set, and nails color consistency every time. That means you deliver high quality results on the first pass, giving your client exactly what they want with zero time wasted. Mapei FlexColor is pre-mixed, so it's ready to use out of the bucket. No need to add water or anything else, so you can start working faster and avoid mixing mistakes. A lot of grouts look one way in the bucket and another on the tile. This FlexColor grout keeps the same color wherever you apply it, and it stays that color as it dries, so you can tackle any tiling job and do it right the first time. Mapei FlexColor grout is quick to set. By sticking to itself as you apply it, this grout gets the job done fast and minimizes cleanup time. Mapei FlexColor is chemical and stain resistant. That means you never have to apply sealant, saving you a ton of time. When you're done, reseal the bucket and keep your extra grout for up to a year. This eliminates waste and makes more bang for your buck. It's perfect for porcelain, ceramic, stone, glass, and mosaic tiles, and also works great for luxury vinyl tiles and planks. Mapei FlexColor Premix Grout, the go-to grout for pros who need to finish tiling jobs quickly and ensure great results. To purchase Mapei FlexColor Grout on Lowe's.com, click the link below.